Quality is a million things to manufacturers. It's just one thing to customers. A feeling. Quality is defined by touch, sense, or sound. It turns functionality into an experience. It's a sense of anticipation, a degree of excellence, something we appreciate instinctively. The products we make as manufacturers touch people's lives every day. Manufacturing innovation has shaped everything, from the way we live to the way we work. Life has never been better, but we can still push further. Within manufacturing, the way we talk about quality has to change. Quality isn't just micron-level detail. It's more than an industry standard for compliance. Quality is the #1 driver of innovation. The quality mindset powers huge leaps of progress, shaping better experiences, helping us to achieve more. Quality is the result of a business running at peak. It depends entirely on connectivity. Putting data to work drives continuous quality improvement across the value chain, unlocking multiplier gains at every stage. Quality accelerates when we bring together virtual and real worlds. With simulation, CAD/CAM, and metrology data working with AI in real time, manufacturers can feed insights back into design to accelerate innovation. Quality is for people. It's something we seek again and again. By adding the magic of quality to your products, you can truly move the needle for your business. Hexagon, for quality that touches people's lives.